Tennant Company brings you the T17, the ultimate high-duty, high-performance battery rider scrubber for your tough cleaning needs. The T17 delivers excellent cleaning results on virtually every hard surface floor application. Want to learn more? Let's start with the basics. You can clean confidently with standard features such as durable construction, easy-to-access yellow maintenance touchpoints, large capacity solution and recovery tanks, excellent water recovery, convenient spray hose and operator-focused design that delivers intuitive controls, excellent visibility and enhanced ergonomics. And with one of the largest available battery capacities, the T17 can clean up to an entire shift on a single charge in economy mode for increased cleaning productivity. Tennant's battery options also maintain indoor air quality. When scrubbing with your T17, you'll experience exceptional water pickup with a swinging squeegee and revolutionary water trap to help reduce the risk of slip and falls. Clean floors from edge to edge with a scrubbing side brush that increases your cleaning path width by 30%. Optional right-hand and dual sweeping side brushes allow sweeping on both sides and enables edge-to-edge cleaning. Operation of the T17 couldn't be more intuitive. Simply push the large green one-step button and start cleaning. And with car-like propellant brake pedals located together, operating the T17 is easy. Cleaning controls are within easy reach, keeping the operator's attention facing forward and toward the cleaning edge while working the scrubbing controls. The T17's unique optional cleaning features help enhance productivity, make cleaning easier, and provide a positive cleaning experience. With these options, you can tailor your machine to a wide range of heavy to light applications, from the factory floor to the retail floor. Reduce environmental impact and improve your bottom line through higher productivity and chemical cost savings with exclusive EC Water technology. EC Water helps you efficiently scrub floors and use up to 70% less water. A full tank of water will last up to 2.5 hours with EC Water and allows scrubbing 2 to 3 times longer than with conventional scrubbers. The optional Pro Panel LCD control module integrates multiple controls into an intuitive touchscreen interface, simplifying operation and ensuring consistent cleaning performance for all operators. Pro ID prevents unauthorized machine use and provides operators with personalized cleaning settings upon login. Additionally, Performance View allows operators a rear view of the cleaning path without having to turn around in their seat. And when in reverse, operators can view what's behind them. The T17 also has an optional high-power pressure washer and applies up to 2,500 psi to remove tough soils on the floor or clean non-floor surfaces. The optional live wand easily and effectively picks up shrink wrap and other small debris and allows the operator to pick up debris while driving the machine. An optional vacuum wand is also ready for use, making it easy to recover wet spills in remote, hard-to-reach areas. Leverage existing hydrogen fuel cell infrastructure with a new T17 Fuel Cell Ready option, which provides fume-free operation. At the end of a cleaning shift, the T17 is quick and easy to clean out. Simply twist the drain cup to adjust the flow of dirty water to match your drain capacity. A recovery tank access step provides easy access to the tank to ensure proper cleanout. The T17's squeegees and brushes are designed to be removed easily and quickly for inspection without the use of tools. Using quality Tennant True brushes, pads, and squeegee blades in good condition helps your machine perform at its best. Tennant's T17 delivers the ultimate heavy-duty, high-performance battery rider scrubber for your toughest cleaning needs. Whether you're cleaning a sensitive surface, maintaining a polish on concrete, or scouring off heavy grime, the T17 brings heavy-duty performance to the job with innovative, exclusive features. Tennant. Reinvent how the world cleans.